Welcome back. We're talking to Jim Bourne and Bill McCune of the Fresno Bee. Well, the obvious question, what grade would you give Mayor Swearingen in her first year? And why?
I mean, in her first year, I think she's done a solid job. I mean, you have to give an incomplete because her job has just started. She has huge budget problems. She has a lot of visionary things that she'd like to do, but the most important thing is to get the budget on track so she can do the kinds of things that she wants to do in the second, third, and fourth years. So I'm not.
Well, would you say that she's been fiscally prudent in the first year?
Yeah, I mean, she's made the cuts that she's had to make, and she's a lot of folks have been whining over at City Hall because she's made some tough cuts, but she's had to do it, and there may be more cuts and more serious cuts that we have to make, and the public needs to be ready for that.
Bill?
Well, I guess I went to a different school than Jim. The schools I went to, we had something called a progress report, and so I would give the mayor very much a solid B. It's been a very tough year. When she came in, a lot of people were saying, why did you run for this job given all the heartache that's ahead? And I think she's done a solid job on it. What I really like is the way that she represents Fresno in a very professional manner, and we haven't had this bipartisan type politics come up when we're talking about issues that involve the city of Fresno, and past strong mayors have made it bipartisan right out of the chute. I think she should be commended for that because she's stuck to the facts instead of trying to inject politics.
It sounds a little bit like a B+ there.
Okay, make it a B+.
What's going to take her? What's it going to take to get her an A for her next year? What does she have to do over the next year to earn an A?
Well, it's all about fiscal management, and I think a lot of people in the community want to know where the city is on the zoo. 5 years ago, they passed Measure Z. There are millions of dollars in sales tax money sitting in that pot, and we've yet to really see any progress on that. So I think it's critical that something emerge in regard to the zoo in the coming year.
Is there any other particular issues that you're going to be focusing on, I think, in the next year?
Well, she ran on downtown revitalization, and she ran on jobs. She ran as being a jobs expert, and I think, I can't remember if it was January or December of '08, Fresno actually saw an uptick in jobs, and if you can get any uptick in jobs at all in this market, that's something that's very good. I think it's her professionalism that's carrying the day.
Okay.
Well, some of the toughest issues, though, are things that may be out of her control. The homeless issue, for example, I think they've done a pretty good job in dealing with that, but there isn't a city in America that's figured this out because of all the causes of homelessness. Those kinds of things, the downtown is a serious one. I think she's right on track on the kinds of things that she needs to do, but whether the economy allows developers and private money to come down there to do the kinds of things that turn the central core into a vibrant city, those things are sort of out of control. The city can only do certain things to make it available. She needs to protect the public safety. But you know, the bottom line is how she handles the budget, and could she look at all the bureaucrats and all the unions in the eye and say, you're going to have to take another cut.
Well, let's look a little farther out toward the end of her first term. Well, how would you deem her first term a success or failure? What factors would you be looking at?
Well, you have to be solid financially, we said. You know, crime's got to be under control. Downtown has to be at least toward revitalization. Our streets, I mean, you know, all the basic things that we ask of a mayor. You know, there's probably the mayor's job, I mean, you ask more of the mayor than probably any other kind of job, because the mayor is in your hometown and you see whether it's the city's a success or not a success every day when you drive to work or to school or to take your children to the grocery store.
Bill, how would you assess that?
Well, I would keep it very simple. You mentioned a couple times during the show statistics based on pure cities, and sometimes statistics can be misleading because Fresno's economic value in its entirety is low. Therefore, it looks like we're spending more on services or spending less than pure cities. I think the challenge is just to make Fresno's land and its property and everything more valuable. So in other words, you're attracting more investment, and also you're identifying Fresno as an education city in which people know that it's very important to get an education, and that's how they're going to take part in the American dream.
Well, we'll look for that. I want to thank Jim Bourne and Bill McCune and also Mayor Swearingen for being with us. If you want to learn more information about what's happening in Fresno, check the Fresno Bee log or the Maddie Institute website at www.maddieinstitute.org. Thanks for joining us.